In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product with different prices on Payhip. If you're looking to offer your customers multiple pricing options for a single product, perhaps by including variations like a basic and a premium version, then you've come to the right place. Let's delve into the steps to set this up seamlessly. To start off, make sure you're logged into your Payhip account. If you're not there already, just go ahead and log in. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate over to your products page. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the option that says Add New Product and go ahead and click on it. Since we're focusing on digital offerings today, you'll need to select Digital Product from the options available. Now, it's time to upload your product files. These could be PDFs, ebooks, audio files, or any type of digital content that you're planning to sell. Just make sure to choose the files that align best with the product you're working on. Next, you'll fill in the product title and description. This is your opportunity to make the product appealing and clear to your potential customers. So take your time with crafting something engaging. In this section, you'll also set the base price for your product. This base price is essentially the default cost before any variations are applied. Now, if your product comes in different versions, like a basic or a premium one, you'll want to enable variants. To do this, scroll down on the Product Setup page until you reach the Advanced Options section. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled, "This product has different variations." Simply check this box, because that's going to allow you to offer those distinct options to your customers. Once you've done that, click on Add New Variant to create the different versions you want to offer. For each variant, you'll specify a few key details. Start with the variant name. This is where you'll label each version, maybe something like Basic Version and Premium Version, depending on your needs. Next, you'll set a different price for each variant. This way, the basic version might be priced lower, while a premium option costs a bit more, reflecting the added value or features it might include. Alongside this, provide a brief description of what each variant includes. This detail helps guide your customer's buying decision. Lastly, you'll want to assign the relevant files to each variant. Simply check the boxes next to each file that belongs to the specified version. Once you've set everything up with each variant configured to your satisfaction, the next step is simply to click Save Product. By doing this, your product page will go live, displaying the different variants and their respective prices. And there you have it. You've successfully created a tiered pricing structure for your product, setting it up to better meet the diverse needs and budgets of your customers.